Hello friends, in this video I'm going to unbox and review Apple polishing clothes. I will tag the product so you can check the price and everything. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is pretty expensive compared to the normal products, and you can use to clean your MacBook Air and different surfaces like mobile and all. So it is a good for protecting your screen. So you can see the Apple branding is shown here clearly, and this is how big it is. It's not that big, but the material is really soft and you can use it for clean the surfaces, which is really nice. I can say that. And you can, I think, put some water or something to clean it. So please check the product I have mentioned in the video description or something, so that you can see what are the exact information. So inside there is a small documentation also there. You can see how to use or something is mentioned here, or also this is how the back side. So if you look for alternative solution also, I will also list in the video description so that you can have a look. So overall the packaging looks nice, and I am using it for cleaning the surface and everything, and it does the job well. So I don't want to take any risks for, because that's why I bought it. So this is how it looks like. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.